Hello friends, in this video we will discuss vectors and scalar quantities, their definitions, examples and graphical representation. All physical quantities are categorized in two groups, scalar quantities and vector quantities. Any physical quantity can be either a scalar or a vector. So what are scalar quantities? Scalar quantities can be described by magnitude only. Magnitude means numerical value or the size of the quantity. For example, mass is a scalar quantity because it needs only the numerical value or the magnitude of the quantity. So suppose there is a box and its mass is 2 kg. So we will put 2 kg the mass of the box. Same way, area is also a scalar quantity. Area of this park can be found using this formula length times width. So here 6 meter square is the area of this park, or you can say numerical value or the size of the area. The same way, volume is also a scalar quantity and we can find volume of a cube using this formula length times width times height, and here 210 meter cube is the numerical value or the size of the volume of this cube. You can see all these quantities just need numbers or numerical value, or you can say the magnitude of the quantity to be described. So what are the vectors? Vector quantities need magnitude plus direction to be described. For example, position. Position is a vector quantity. So let me show you why. Suppose we have to describe position of school with respect to the home. So we will say the distance between home and school is 20 kilometers. This is only distance. But in which direction? 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers towards west is not the school. 20 kilometers towards north is also not the school. So school is 20 kilometer northeast direction. So position need magnitude like 20 kilometer and also direction northeast. That's why position is a vector quantity. Same way, force is also a vector quantity. Let me show you why. Suppose there is a football and this football should be kicked into this goalpost. So if force of 20 Newton is applied to kick this ball, but in which direction? If you apply the force towards north, what will happen? Ball will not go to the goalpost. So ball should be kicked in the specified direction. So direction should be northwest direction like this. So force of 20 Newton should be applied northwest direction, or if you want to be more specific, you can say it should be 30 degree from the west. So force need magnitude like 20 Newton plus direction to be described completely. That's why force is a vector quantity. Next is graphical representation of vectors. The vector quantities are represented by an arrow. Length of the arrow will represent its value, and this arrow shows the direction. Like arrow is towards east here, so direction of force vector is east. Suppose we want to show a velocity vector 40 meter per second towards south. So suppose 1 square is a 10 meter per second, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 squares will show the 40 meter per second towards south. The same way, suppose we have to show 25 meter per second towards west. So 25 is like 2.5 squares. This length is showing 25 meter per second and direction is west. So it will go like this. Suppose a force vector is 5 Newton, 30 degree northeast. So first of all we will draw the angle. It's 30 degree like this. 1 Newton equal 1 square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 newtons. We will put an arrow over here. So length of the arrow is showing the magnitude or the size of the vector, and the direction of the arrow shows the direction of the vector. Arrow end of vector is known as head and the other end is known as the tail. So this is the arrow hand, so it would be head, and the other end means this one would be the tail. The same way, this arrow side would be the head and the other side means this one would be the tail of the vector. Next is list of scalar and vector quantities. I have listed some scalars and vector quantities. So all kind of distance length, width, height are the scalar quantities. Area, volume also is a scalar quantity. Speed, mass, density, pressure, temperature are the scalar quantities. Same way energy. Here all kind of energies like chemical energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, work are scalar quantities. Electric current and time are the scalar quantities. Now here some vector quantities: position, displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, weight. Weight is a vector quantity because weight is the force of the gravity. And you know all kind of force, whether it is a force of gravity or tension force or any other kind of friction force, they all are vector quantities. So electric field is also a vector quantity. I hope you understand this topic so far. In the next video, we will discuss how to add scalar quantities and vector quantities. So stay tuned and study more. Don't forget to subscribe, share and likes for daily updates. Thank you.